Hello traders, the title of the video is Accurate Elliott wave trader jumps up after his Elliott wave forecast confirmations. Alright, we are looking at Apple stock. I'm on the monthly chart using this time the TC2000, the charting software instead of the trading view. Alright, because the TC2000 is very good for American stock. Alright, and we want to talk about Elliott wave trader. It jumps up after his Elliott wave forecast confirmation. Alright, so previously, counting wave, we said this is the first wave on the monthly chart, second wave, and we said to traders that probably this is the third, wave of a higher degree that is starting from here and will end somewhere here. Or it is the end of the third wave of a higher degree. It is the end of the third wave of a higher degree. And is this, the fourth wave of a higher degree? Remember those two questions. It is the end of the third wave of a higher degree. It is also, at the end of the fourth wave of a higher degree. But for now, I leave my wave count as it is, right there, and we will see. Talking about Elliott wave, accurate Elliott wave trader jumps up after his Elliott wave forecast confirmation. So in the previous video, we did forecast that there is a high chance that the fourth minor wave of the third wave will pull back to retest the edge of the pitchfork 2. You see the line are still here. And what do we see? Down. It is the end of that fourth minor wave. Those are the questions that we are asking today. And also, we have to understand that when you see that, you say, this is the fourth minor wave. And now we are expecting the fifth minor wave. Fifth minor wave. You put it here like this, so fifth minor wave, alright? But one thing we do not want to forget is that when you see like this, the fourth wave can become a complex fourth wave, which means you may see an oscillation probably going ups and down, forming A, B, C, D, E, or another complex corrective wave. But today, with the information that we have, we can start jumping up like an accurate Elliott wave. A trader, because this move down is completed. After all those questions, we can still, rejoice a little bit. But we do not want to get carried away. We want to flow with the price without violating the market patterns. So, in order to get paid, by the way, talking about getting paid, or money, I said, they say, Joe, you're talking about money all the time. If you want to donate to 24 Elliott Wave, come to www.24elliottwave.com, click on donate, and put something in the basket. Otherwise, you can go to the web store, go to the web store, either at stochastic-market.com or dayprotein.com, especially stochastic-market.com. Click on the web store, purchase one of our trading system as a donation to what we are doing on our YouTube channel. Money is always involved. Alright, so here it is. Alright, so but this candlestick bar that you see here, it looks like a hammer, yes or no? Alright, but it's not yet closed. Why? Because today is the 20th of January 2019, though it looks like a hammer right now, that candlestick bar is not yet closed. For somebody that is waiting for a clear-cut trading setup on a monthly chart, he or she will wait for this candlestick bar to close down and that stage, before implementing a different time frame trading method. If there is no signal to buy or sell, one cannot buy or sell. This is about using multiple time frame trading method to time the market more accurately in conjunction with the Elliott wave forecast confirmation. So you remember in this video, I was saying the title is that Elliott wave trader jumps up after his Elliott wave forecast confirmation. So we are expecting it to pull back here. Yes or no? All right. And the price did exactly what we expected. This is a confirmation. Sometimes the price will partially confirm the forecast. Sometimes the price may not confirm it at all. All right. Sometimes the price will fully confirm it. All right. So talking about fully confirming meaning that it will pull back like this as we expected it, and then we will print the fifth wave as we expected it. That's a full confirmation. Sometimes the price will not fully confirm it. I'm writing to them. In fact, I've started writing already about Elliott wave confirmation. You want to check that web page on our website. It's not yet posted. It will be posted this year. And you want to check it out so you can avoid Elliott wave forecast mistakes. The forecast is an expectation. The price must confirm it. Now there are different ways where how the price will confirm the forecast, and this is something that we need to know so we can work with the forecast more efficiently. Because sometimes traders watch video or they purchase Elliott wave forecast, but when it comes to gain something out of that forecast, they get into trouble because of the misunderstanding of Elliott wave forecast confirmation. So for this tutorial, I'm choosing my word very carefully. Suppose this is the 31st of January. Suppose that it closed like this. So we say, all right, it pulled back to a support level at 15358. Suppose. Don't forget that word. All right, I'm not saying it's we say all right. So we say priority to bullish signal. If you are trading upper top, above 15358, and priority to bearish signal below it. Implement a different time frame trading method. So at this point, if on the 31st of December it stays like this, we go to the corresponding signal time frame, daily chart, looking for signal. The signal, as I explained in the one video today to traders, that is another setup on the signal time frame. So if you see a bullish trading setup on one higher time frame, and you go to another time frame and you are looking for a signal, the signal will be another bullish trading setup on the signal time frame. And this can be a bullish chart pattern, can be breakable retest, can be something that can encourage us or give us a good reason to buy after the bullish trading setup. All right. So it's popping out of that declining channel. You see now, because I've been using a TC, I've been using a trading view for some time. Now I come on to TC 2000, and I'm thinking like I'm using the trading view software. So I need to adjust my mind. So that's what we see. Do you see any bullish chart pattern at that support level now? You're just breaking above it now. Sometimes you may not see a clear cut signal, and they probably just run. From here we just go boom, 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 boom. Say, where is he? Where is he? Where is he? It's gone. So you may use the high, and say break above the high of a daily chart candlestick bar and retest it or something like that, and find a resistance. When the price breaks above it with a bullish candlestick bar and then pull back with another bearish candlestick bar to retest it. Sometimes it can be tricky to find, if the price is running very fast, to find a clean cut buy signal. All right. If we go to the hourly time frame, so on the hourly time frame, is it going to form an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern? Personally, because I say to trade from January to mid-February, it's quite challenging to trade the market, though the market has been going up recently. You want to be very careful up to the 15th of February 2019. I've seen it every year. Most traders will lose their money, give away all their money from the 1st of January to the 15th of February before a clean, nice, easy trading setup is in place. I've seen in many years all the time people doing that. So no rush, please. Breathe in, breathe out. So we see an Elliott wave, a forecast confirmation on a monthly chart. Another way to play, so you say, George, I can't wait till the end of January. So you have to go to the next lower time frame, weekly chart. So you see on the weekly chart, you see, that's it. Common settle is broken. So weekly chart, you say, you found a support. Oh, right. So for somebody who want to play next week like this, all right, you highlight the high, the low. In fact, instead of using only this candlestick bar here, one can highlight this range here. You see a range? You see those 4 candlestick bar are in a range, yes or no? See the top 15780, the low 14825. Consider as a range and put a line like this, like a median line, and you play like okay. So it's now at the top, all right. So you may see kind of a consolidation here. So we'll be aware of that level 15780 as a resistance. Consider as a resistance. So if it breaks above, retest, you want to play it as for day trading or scalping. Okay, 15780 break above, retest, bullish pattern, blah blah blah. But for swing trading, one will need to be a little bit patient. Okay, okay. So this is it. All right, a confirmation of Elliott wave forecast. All right, we're expecting to pull back. You bring it down. Retesting our brown pitchfork tool, you see here, the low of the second wave of a higher degree, the high of the first minor wave of the third wave, and here the low of the second of this pullback here. Draw your pitchfork tool. We are now on the edge of the lower part of the pitchfork tool. Is it going to find a support here and start going now? Anything is possible. All right. Okay. So all in all, is that the same level I mentioned before? Priority to bullish signal about 15323. So I'm saying a different number now. You say, Joe, you say something different now. Don't worry, it's a zone. All right, it's a zone. 15323. Okay, give priority to bullish signal above. I would say above that range will be better. 15780. A priority to bear signal below that. We are on the edge. You implement a different time frame trading method. Different time frame trading method, generally speaking, consists of using at least a 2 time frame. The old way of using the Elliott wave forecast, like an exact sign, which means you pull back here, or some trader may say, okay, I will buy a call option. You can improve your call option buying by using a top-down trading method, so you may time it more accurately. But some market participant, like an investment trading firm, they have a deep pocket. They can take some of the risk. So depending on their risk, some people they just go and buy, hoping that everything works well. Sometimes it works well, sometimes it doesn't work well, which means they probably just after this kind of thing, just come back now more. And they say, oh, George, they say confirmation. But I also say use a different time frame trading method. Or say, George, you're making it too difficult for me. But you have to control the risk. And the only way to control the risk, in my view, whether you are buying call option, put option, use a different time frame trading method to control the risk. All right. So this is it. So far, so good, beautiful. First wave, second wave, third wave of a higher degree, according to my forecast. This may end up being the real third wave. We will see, and this may end up being the fourth wave of a higher degree. We will see, and so on and so on. And one more thing before I'll wrap it up, because I don't want this video to be too long, is that right, Apple stock is a market leader for what? The Nasdaq 100. So there are 2 market leaders for the Nasdaq 100, Apple stock and Google stock. So I'm going to go quickly to check on because if you trade in Apple stock, the Apple stock is like the engine, the market leader, and the engine of the index. Okay, so when the market leaders are going down, there's a high chance that the index will go down. When they're going up, okay, the index are likely to go up. So if you're trading Apple stock, it makes sense to check the Nasdaq 100. If you trade in Nasdaq 100, it makes sense to check on Google and Apple stock. How those 2 stocks can influence Nasdaq 100, and Nasdaq 100 can also influence these stocks. So talking about Nasdaq 100, we are talking about the components, the 100 stocks, American stocks that form the Nasdaq 100. index. All right. So if we check on the NASDAQ 100 index, and yes, this is our forecast. So the NASDAQ 100 index, contrary to Apple stock, you see it pulled back. Remember our forecast, our wave count, first wave of a higher degree, second wave of a higher degree. We talk about this third wave of a higher degree. Yeah, now in the fourth wave. So our forecast, okay, expecting a pullback is happening now. Is it going to come all the way to the edge of that wider? That won't be good, okay? Yeah, it can come all the way. It won't be any level violation because it shouldn't overlap the range of the first wave. So watch it. It's coming, instead of going gently in diagonal, it's coming down vertically. But recently, as you can see, this is what we see. January, remember, January to February 15, don't take any price move for granted. So after the year 2018 is closed, people come back into the market in a zone of 6008, a key level. Okay, they start buying it, pushing it up to retest the edge of that pink channel. You see that pink channel for NASDAQ 100? So they are now on the edge of it. January is closed. Is it going to continue to go down more? The trend is always the same. After the forecast, if the confirmation is underway, as I told you, can be partial. I'll be posting that page, okay, on our website. Can be partial, okay. Donate, please. I see Joe talking about money again. Okay. Now this is because I'm preparing another video to answer a question, a relevant comment that a trader made about money. That's why I'm trying to get that into your mind. So when I posted that video, you may understand why I'm speaking like this. Okay. So do is now confirming. Okay. Sometimes the price will deny completely the confirmation. So you see now it's confirming. People will say, "All right, it's confirming it." All right. And then the next thing, the price will cancel it, which you come back all the way up here. So this move, people say, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. And then from there, you just cancel it completely and do something that no one was expecting. All right. So this is the NASDAQ 100. You can see when Apple was going down, okay, it was also going down. Apart from the fact, you see here, this candlestick bar, you see this candlestick bar was going up in January. What Apple stock was doing that time? You see, Apple stock initially start going down because of all the comment that people are not buying an Apple product as they did before, or people are not too much enthusiastic about Apple stock in Asia, and so on and so on. So there were a lot of bearish sentiment relating to Apple stock, causing Apple stock to confirm our forecast. Now, initially, you see this kind of, so that's why I said to you, mass close. It went down fast, yes or no? But now it start going up. As Apple stock start going down, if you go to the daily chart, you'll see when it start going down. See, you see here, it start going up from here. Which date was that? The 3rd of January. You see, the 3rd of January start. You see, start going up. So and as Apple stock was going up, okay, the NASDAQ 100 index also was going up. But you have to understand the price does not go up in straight line. The same thing we are saying to traders. As you see now for the NASDAQ 100, when that's going up, the price does not go down in straight line. There are some rally up, say, oh, it's changing direction. But all in all, remember the trading rate, set up, signal, entry. Whether that is a confirmation or not, at a key level. You see, that's how you're going to get something out of it. So Apple stock was going up, okay, you see here, the NASDAQ 100 was going up. I don't usually like to talk about Google stock, okay, because I don't want to get into any trouble at all. You see again here, Google stock was also going up, but not in straight line. So it went up, pulled back, went up, pulled back, went up. And what the NASDAQ 100 is doing? It's going up. The engine, market leaders. All right, you get it now? You get it. You can quote me on Twitter, Facebook, and say, all right, that crazy trader 24 always said that. And I'm fine with that, all right? So this is it. So this is just a short tutorial, okay, to celebrate the confirmation of our area wave forecast at this point in time. It may cancel it. We may see something completely different. There are different area wave confirmation, partial confirmation. full confirmation. I'll be coming back to those topics, okay, about Elliott wave confirmation. When we say to trader, you remember the drill, okay, because I want you to be able to use the Elliott wave more efficiently and to adopt, most importantly, what we call a prudent approach, all right? So preliminary Elliott wave count, going to the mind of other traders, Elliott wave validation, all right? Top-down trading method, okay? Right? After the confirmation of the forecast. Never assume anything. If you purchase Elliott wave forecast, don't think that those persons are guru or God. They are not God. So sometimes the price will confirm it or may not confirm it at all. If you want to get paid, talking about money all the time, George, come on. All right? You want to make sure, okay, is there a bullish trading setup or bearish trading setup? That's the beginning. Okay, good. Now implement a different time frame trading method. What? Okay. First wave, second wave. Feel free to disagree when we count. First manual wave, second manual wave is XWSY. The price may change the structure of our expectation. So far, it looks good. We come back below it, we come back again. That's why we don't remove our drawing, come back again, review, okay, our Elliott wave count, adjust accordingly without challenging the price. The price is the king, okay? And we go one step at a time with the information that we got, okay? All right, this is it. But again, because we are in January, don't forget what I said before. I see every year traders throw away their money. So in how many days? All right, 45 days. So from January to February 15, traders blow their trading account and they run away from the financial market when the financial market starts showing exactly what is happening. You remember the first wave and the second wave, okay, usually allow the Elliott wave trader to catch the third wave. You see, the same thing, the year is starting, let the market show its hand. Start going now, okay, good. Let's wait. Well, then you reveal clearly what's going to happen in the new year. Usually, by the 15th of February, things become a little bit clearer. Because all kind of discussion and a portfolio hedge funds, okay, trading firm, investment, okay, companies start adjusting their portfolio. So they change their previous trading method or investment method, they prefer other sector, they do all kind of things, blah, 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 market doing all kind of things, ups and down, people say it's going to go up. By the time people know it's going down, and so on and so on. So it's patient, be composed, flow with the price, follow the trading dream, set out, signal, entry point. Elliott wave count, Elliott wave validation, go into the mind of other traders, wait for confirmation, use a top-down trading method, look for trading setup, around kill, map out the chart. You see, map it out. Draw all the line and trade on the edge like a pro. Is that enough? Okay, good. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, you say, Joe, you talk about money, you say to donate. I will never donate to all right? So if you get all this blah, 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 mark it down. Don't go away. Mark it down, please. All right? But if you think this is an essential tutorial that can help other traders, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. Our YouTube channel is 24 Elliott Waves. Subscribe today and be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we post a video, you will be the first person to be notified. Sometimes I post video first on Facebook. My Facebook page is Stochastic-Market. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about Elliott trader. Okay, you see, jumps up after his Elliott wave forecast confirmation. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. If you want to learn more about Elliott wave trading, two things you need to do. First, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Second, visit also our website www.24elliottwaves.com. Thank you for watching.